guys! My name is Kylie. Demo ko lang itong Super Night Vision 2K Resolution Dashcam. So, let's start. Ang features na ito ay pwede mo i-up or i-down or pwede din view ang front and back o pwede rin na half-half na pwede mo makita na sabay ang front and back depende sa preference na user. So guys, as you can see, installed na rin ang reverse parking guide niya. Kapag nag-reverse, lalabas ang grid lines to measure the distance. As you can see, while on reverse, super linaw talaga ng camera niya, considering na 9 PM na ng gabi. Sa settings, meron siyang main feature na 2K resolution at meron po siyang parking monitoring system that I will explain in my next vlog. And many more options for you to choose from. So guys, as you can see, may mga icons siya sa ilalim like microphone, picture, play, settings, and lock. So guys, as you can see, sobrang linaw talaga na itong dashcam na ito. This is one of the best dashcams in the Philippines, kahit naka super dark tint pa ang customer. Thanks for watching!